up, party people? Skag man, the Subaru man. Today we're all-wheel driving it. We got an Impreza Sport Coupe Hot Hatch. Doesn't belong to me though. It belongs to my nephew Jathan. And you guys have seen Jathan here before. He was like a guest wrench, him and his woman, and we were working on her car. Shop dog, Jathan. Y'all remember Jathan? I remember. Yeah. So what's going on? Tell me about your car.
2017 Subaru Impreza Sport. It's all-wheel drive. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
2 liter?
2 liter.
Naturally aspirated turbo?
Well, naturally aspirated, no turbo.
No turbo.
No turbo.
Gotcha. Okay. So what's going on with it?
It's having a little vibration when you get around 45, 50 miles an hour. So just coming to see what's making all the problems.
Well, it's not the wheels, because you already had the wheels mounted and balanced. And full disclosure, we had it here before, and we had it up on the lift, and the lower control arm bushings are shot. So, like the supply chain, you were able to get
one side and not the other side.
Yeah, so we're going to replace one today, and then we're going to do the other one when the other one comes in. So that's what we're doing today on Skag's Garage. Point at the camera. That's what we're doing today. These bushings here are shot, so we were kind of wondering if that was, where was that? I mean, you see those are cracked. Control arm bushings in here are, can you see the movement in there? So those bushings are shot, and I'm not even really pressing down on that. So this is actually a simple procedure. You got a bolt here, and 3 bolts here. And what we're going to do is get the floor jack, or the screw jack, put it underneath here, hold this up. We'll get these bolts out, pry these out, and as I always say, Bob's your auntie. Yeah. You hear that? What do you think?
We fixed what I thought the problem was, but there's other problems that we assessed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But definitely was a difference in the ride.
Oh yeah. 100%.
And we were leaving the shop as we were exiting out, because you have to, yeah, it's gravel and you get up on it. I heard a clunk, so, and it was definitely coming from the passenger side, so we got to get that lower, passenger side lower control arm done. So it wasn't that bad.
It wasn't that bad.
Yeah, next time we can just get it done in 15 minutes.
Oh yeah.
All right?
Yep.
Cool. Good to have you, man.
Good to be here. Thank you for your help.
Love you. Love you too. I'll holler at you later on in the week. See ya.